cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens.
Morning!
Morning!
We're on Copacabana beach today. We've been out, had a little walk, had some breakfast, and now we're here on the beach. As you can see, it's a massive beach, goes on for miles. It's very, very hot.
Today it is, yes.
Today is warm. It's not as warm as it can get, but today is warmer than normal. We had a little look around, we looked at some bundas and had a glass of water in the shade. And you're still trying to have a poop, aren't you? But
yeah, I wasn't allowed.
Yeah,
in the
cafe's
coffee
toilet.
shop. The coffee shop was interdit.
on to D. Apparently ran out of water, or the flash wasn't working. So
Yes.
yeah, so we're gonna have a look around Copacabana today, this morning, and then we're gonna head off into town and go towards this lake. It's like a lagoon in the middle.
Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon.
Lagoon, yeah. Beaches are okay, but they're not really my thing. Sitting
Yes.
in there just roasting yourself all day long.
The one yesterday was better because
Yeah.
there was shade and it's not
Quiet.
a urban
Yeah.
beach.
Less people.
But it's not far away from here.
But we are here in Rio, so we're going to have to go in the water later. So hopefully we'll take you with us.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you later.
There is Copacabana, the top of Copacabana. That's Lauren. There is a museum of image and sound. And we were there, Sugarloaf. Super hot. And so now we are going to Rodrigo de Freitas. Hopefully it's going to be shady there.
Okay, how are you guys? Right, we are, if you can hear us, there's a lot of traffic. We're on the north side of the Lago
Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas.
Rodrigo de Freitas.
Freitas.
We're going to hire these bikes that they do in the city, like they do in most cities these days. And we're going to cycle, bugger. We're going to cycle around the rest of the lake. Probably stop halfway, have a beer, maybe some lunch, and then continue on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take you over to the bikes now, show you them. It's very simple, you just download the app like with most cities, and then you get a code. These are the bikes. Barcode. You just scan the barcode, or you can type in the number. and then you pull the bike up.
Yeah.
And they do, you can have 3 or is it 4 trips a day of 45 minutes for your first 7 days for free. So if you're here on holiday like we are, and we're only spending a week here, it's perfect. You can do pretty much everything you want to do for free. It's not working. Catch you later. What's your name?
Pode fazer carinho nela, não.
Eu.
Tirar foto pra mandar pra mamãe. Uma foto. Não, olha lá. Fala, capivara, chama ela. Olha lá, olha lá. Olha pra capivara, olha que bonito. Fala, capivara!